Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, June 13th. Time is around 7:15 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Owanda platform. So in my weekend video, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame, but that does not mean that we cannot see more upside in the lower time frame. And this is actually what might be happening right now. So I told you there is a scenario that our high was in here and that we start to pull back now, but I my main expectation was that we would see some more upside because of this here. This looked quite strong, and this is normally not how a wave 5 ends. So therefore, this was my primary count here from the wave 4 low. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we might be doing this wave 5. Yep, let's further zoom in to the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour here we have our wave 3 high. We came back in an ABC as a wave 4. So there is actually, as long as we do not take out this high here, we still have to consider a scenario where the wave 4 is not in yet, and then it would mean that this here was our wave A. We are now doing a wave B, and then a wave C should come to the downside. Then the target area for our wave C would be, assuming that our wave B high is somewhere here, then this target area becomes is this area, the 1 to 1.618 FIP extension. Okay, but this is I just shared this scenario with you, but this seems unlikely now. However, we are dealing with financial markets. Everything is possible, but it's not my main expectation. My main expectation is that our wave 4 low was in here, and that we are now starting a new impulse to the upside. But to be sure, we need to take out this high, of course. So we had the first impulsive structure to the upside here as a wave 1, and then last week we were struggling here. I also told you about the triangle that we were squeezing, and that this is something difficult to predict which way it will break out. But I told you it normally breaks out in the main direction, and the main direction of the DAX is bullish. So it looks like this is also what happened yesterday. So we had a good move to the upside. Therefore, I would assume that our wave 2 low was in here. So we were actually waiting for this kind of for this area to initiate a long trade. But we did not reach this area. We turned up earlier from here. I also told you in my yesterday's video, I believe, that this would be possible. This could happen, and it turned out like this. So if this is our wave 2, then we know our target for a wave 3, which is yeah, this area here, the equal leg area from your wave 2, so which is between the 1 and the 1.618 extension. So this becomes the target for our wave 3. Here in this area, we might consider a short trade if we see the impulse up here ending with divergence in this area. This is a place then to go short. So yeah, then we will have something like this. Okay, so this looks very bullish, like the breakout of the triangle. Also, these targets, we make a new high and then we can move even higher. But let me also share with you a bearish scenario, which could be equally valid if we do not take out this high. So I told you that maybe that our wave 5 high was in here. And what we could have then is actually that this is your wave 1 down. This is your A, B, C, your wave 2. And from here, we can go down as long as we do not take out this this high here. So what I mean is, so this is our 1. This becomes the 2, and then we have a 3 down. Let me put it in another color. Yeah, like this. This is what I mean. 1 down. 2 up as an ABC, A, B, C, and then 3 down. So this is something to consider, especially like we are reaching now this relevant area. Like we have some resistance here, but also we are like reaching the 0.854 FIB retracements, which is yeah, mostly also an area from where there is a reaction, because our wave 2 should end so somewhere here in this area, and like this is happening right now. So the next hours would be interesting. We also have some economic events today and tomorrow, so yeah, this could decide on the direction we go. So yeah, I'm telling you, this is not my main scenario because the DAX is bullish, but it is something to consider because we see in the higher time frame the upward trend is getting weaker and weaker. It shows a reversal pattern. So yeah, then at one moment it should start in the lower time frame to reverse, and this could be a scenario, the scenario I just showed you. Okay, and then if we further zoom in to the 15-minute, so yeah, here we have our impulse up. This is the wave 4 low. So we had a wave 1, a wave 2, and yeah, now the question is, what exactly are we doing? Now we start to see here some divergence compared to this high here, but yeah, it's a bit too early to conclude if our wave 3 was in or not. Like, we had a relevant area here. We had a nice reaction to the downside from this equal leg area. Look, wave 1, wave 2. So from here we had a good reaction to the downside. But now we are moving up again. It could still be that this is actually our still our wave 3. So at the one hand, this could be like a short possibility because we start to see divergence. We also have 5 swings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could already be the end, actually. But yeah, I don't know. Like, divergence is not so outspoken. Yeah, it can be enough, but I don't like you should know that if you take it here, you are trading against the main direction, and we have the inflation rate today. So yeah, these kind of economic events are yeah can be dangerous to to do a short here. We can really shoot up to the upside. Normally, if these kind of events are planned, I only trade really at the extremes, because I don't know what the inflation rate will be. I don't know what how the market will react. So, like, yeah, I wouldn't. Although the data shows me that we can expect some kind of pullback here now in the 15-minute, I would not trade it today, actually. So let's see what the market gives us today. Yeah, I'm waiting for some more data. I believe this is here a safe area to go short. If we are ending here in this box with divergence, but I believe here it might be too early to initiate a short, especially because of the upcoming economic events. Okay, this was my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you back tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.